We are gathered here to celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are here to rejoice in their happiness, find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment of the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? Ada ko mo ang trating ng wedding? Wala naman, very good. Let us continue. Sige, tayo na tayong dalawa. Hindi ka na to. So, dalawa. Harap ka tayong dalawa. Anyway, Aileen, di ba? Ma'am, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to Johnson?
Yes.
Very good. Johnson, ganun din. Are you here of your own free will to bind yourself in love and service to Aileen?
Yes,
Very good. Sige, sing-sing na. Mabilis. Suot mo na yung sing-sing kay Aileen. And then, Aileen, suot mo na yung sing-sing kay Johnson. Kita naman natin na since matagal na kayo nagsasama, alam ko naman na this is just the last step. Kasi basically, kayong dalawa naman together for almost 15 years. Parang yun na yun eh. Matatag na technically ang 15 years. Di ba? Mapapayo ko naman na kayo matatanda na rin. May mga anak, whatever. Ilan na? Ilan taon?
Malalaki na.
Malalaki na rin, di ba? Actually, kailangan din nila ng-santo ko dyan for example, for college or kung mag-abroad ka. Very good na nag-decide kayo na kasama niya forever. Anyway. Sige, hawakan mo yung kamay niya, Johnson. Ano naman promise nyo sa isa't isa? Aileen, anong promise mo? To your, technically, husband naman for the longest time.
Johnson, that is our witness to all the ups and downs, all the struggles and difficulties that we've been through all these years. But we are so grateful for God's love that now we ended up here getting married, exchanging vows, and we will not only love each other like yesterday, but more and more we will, and we will spend the rest of our time loving each other unconditionally. I love you, my husband.
Thank you. Johnson, ano naman gusto mong sabihin kay Aileen?
Aileen, on this day, I give you my heart. I give you my promise to encourage you, cherish you, and care for you as long as we both shall live. You are my love and my life, today and always. I love you, my wife.
Very good. Maganda. Sige, hawakan mo na yung kamay niya. To our friends and family sa Dagtoy, ano naman wish you na? Kay Kasar. Magayon.
The close relation yung kasama, kasi may isang asawa na hindi na niya, hindi mo.
Thank you.
Wala. Ti basak bayan yun, ti pagsayaran yun, kag-asawa.
Thank you. Ako naman, my wish is times 3 niyo yung 15 years. More or less. Siguro more, 45 years pa, if ever, in your love. I'm very happy to see na talaga na you lasted for 15 years. That's already an accomplishment. And my wish is that times 3, 45 years more, if ever, in your relationship. And I see naman na very supportive and at least ngayon, masasabi nyo talaga mag-asawa na kayo because of this piece of paper, pero in reality, matagal na kayo mag-asawa. Diba? Sige, hawakan mo na yung kamay na, Johnson. By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you newly wedded husband and wife. Sige, you may now kiss the bride. First, he get kiss ko. Ay, naglagay na. Naglagay na kayo? Naglagay na. Di ba galing? Hindi ka na pay attention. Okay, anyway, sige. Paki-witness pa sila. After malang ng parka.
Dito, sa...
Ay, si...
Kisano yung middle name mo pa rin.
Signature or buong name?
Signature lang.
Kisano po? Ay, oh my God, paano na? Okay, nice ito. I don't know.
Sige, tama din. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, sure. Sige, kaya dalawa lang malaman. Tating nga itong mga natin. Ibang batin, takno. Yan. Yan. Sige. So, with the family lang. Sige, sir. Kaya ito sumarot?
Sige po, ako po. Pre, ayun na, Mayor. Nabalik ako na. Kasi ko na amal ko na nagre.
Oh, anyway. Oh, congratulations, man. Tapos, ulit na lang yung papel. Diba?